All right, let's talk about the meat and potatoes, the main reason people are coming to this website, and that's to sell a subscription, right? For them to be able to watch videos. So this video I'm going to cover how it works for the user, the client, how they come in, how they sign up, how they navigate their account, navigate the videos, as well as cover what you need to do or look at or what you have access to in the admin section in the back end as far as the accounts are concerned. So first thing I want to show you is actually signing up for an account. So right now you don't have anything that says sign up. If it was me, I'd put that somewhere. I would think about redoing these menu names up here, putting sign up so it goes right to that page. But if not, right now the only way to get there is if they go to the pricing and look and do it, or to log in. So right now I'm on the login section. Actually, let me back up just one before this. If I click the video magazine, we should be able to see the videos, but we can't because we don't have access, right? Okay. I wanted to go over that before I forgot. So from this section, we can actually hit login. We can hit login up here. All right. So we come into login. If I have an existing account, this is where I would enter the information at. If not, I would register. So I could put Charlie. My preferred email address, and then register. Okay, so when someone registers, the first thing they're going to come to is they're going to be automatically logged in. You can see that up here. Hello, Charlie. I'm already logged in. And then the first thing it's going to say is pay for your membership. So basically, I would come in here, and if I'm ready to watch videos, I would choose my membership type, which is found on the pricing page by Purchase Now. I would click one of these buttons and I would go through the checkout process of paying for that monthly or yearly fee or service price. Okay? Let me go back. So until then, I can't do anything. So I can't, if I click Video Magazine from this setting, this section here or here, I get this right here again. You don't have access, and that's because I haven't paid. If I click Payments, obviously this is empty. Once you've made a payment, what will happen is you'll see that you've made a payment and the date that you've made it, and I'll show you that from an account that I've created where I can actually log in. So they log in, they can manage their account through here, and then their payments through over here. All right. Also, when someone signs up and registers for an account, they get an email letting them know, like we see right here, letting them know they've signed up, and then what it's going to have is their email and password. Nothing, nothing fancy, just some basic information. All right, now, before I show you the paid account back in, let me show you a couple things in the dashboard real quick. When someone creates an account, it's going to appear in this list, and you can actually delete accounts. So for whatever reason it is, you want to get rid of somebody, you can do that. Now this list is just a basic search list. You can search by name, you can search by email, and you can delete. That's it. It doesn't do anything else. You can't change settings, you can't edit, you can't export, anything like that. It's just a basic list with delete capabilities. Next is your pricing, and I know I covered that in another tutorial, but just to make sure you understand how to edit this and and how to change this Purchase Now and this prices, and for how it's set up right now is monthly and excuse me, stumbling here, and yearly. What we want to do is find the pricing section. And what we want to do, these numbers right here are irrelevant in terms of the actual behind the scenes, quote unquote, transaction that WordPress does. Meaning, you obviously want this number to be what you want, so people see what the charge is. Oh, it's $4,000, okay. But what's really important for the transaction is this number here. This number should match this number. So if it's going to be 7, $8 a month, this needs to say $7, $8 right in there. Okay. This right here and this right here are basically it's the code for how often they get charged and if it's a monthly or yearly basis. So every month, as in 1 month, M for month, they're going to get charged this amount. So monthly. Okay. If you do yearly, which is this one, this is Y for year, and then how, obviously every once a year. If you want to charge them twice a year, then, or excuse me, every 2 years, then that's fine. I don't know if you're ever going to mess with that. I would leave this as is. Maybe you're going to do every 3 months or every 6 months or whatever. but that's what controls that pricing section on the live site on the front end of the site. Hopefully that's not too confusing. All right, so let me sign out. Oh, actually, real quick, before I forget, this account setting box, you have control over this, and actually that entire sidebar. So if we go to widgets, let's see, sign in account sidebar. So this right here, account sidebar, that's this. That's what's showing up here. But maybe you want to put some other things in here. Maybe you want to do stuff to help promote your site, promote whatever. We can fill in the sidebar with some other widgets. So I have a tutorial, hopefully you've seen it by now, going over sidebars and widgets. So maybe, for instance, you want to add, you know, something from the blog, recent posts. Maybe we call it news. Change this to 3. Boom, now we got some other stuff. Maybe you want to do text, and if you don't remember what text is, let's see, where's the text? Maybe you want to make a message, you know. Hey there, you know, hey, thanks for coming to eLearnit. Right, and you can leave a message. So you have control of what you can put in that section. That's entirely up to you. You have the option, you know, whether that's Google ads, I know we got ads on there, or whatever the case may be, you can set all that up in there. Okay, get rid of that. All right, so next thing I want to show you is actually signing in with a real, well, quote-unquote real account. Obviously I've only paid a penny, but at least what it looks like if you're actually a member. So okay, here's my test account, and then what will happen when I log in is I'll be able to see, I go straight to the videos, assuming that I've paid, of course. I'll go straight to the videos, and then I can do my little search and everything else, you know. Business, there's my keyword, okay, that's what pulls up. Alright, then I have my other options, which you've already seen, change my password, and then another thing is the payments, which you haven't seen, is when did I pay and what was the amount. So I paid on the 29th for a penny. Okay, that's roughly it. It's pretty basic. I'm trying to think, make sure I haven't left anything out. I think that's it. I think on the last video I got to show you is actually setting up and inserting a video into the website. All right, have a good one.